to the people ang binitawan dito.
Medyo masama lang yung pasa na yan. Ito na, Sino, good
Dami
pass.
ng puti. Oh!
Yeah, there is the dish by Helterbrand. Check it out again. Just one step.
They have a good for Willie Miller. Alright. Talagang nasa likod ko po sa kaling si Asita Olaman ang gusto niyang patawin ng bola. Okay, pasok na rin yung for Willie Miller. So far, no problem.
Off the poor inbounds.
Hey, what's up with this one?
And Jimmy giving it up unselfishly.
Coming down.
Alam natin, dati Ginebra rin yan. Samantala, panoorin nyo itong galaw ni JJ Helterbrand. Kakaiba ito eh. Ha? Andito kunyari, pupunta sa kaliwa. Biglang sa kanan pala pupunta. Ayun!
Engineered for dynamite performance.